We will discuss about few more basics of Python, few more basic commands, and then we'll talk about the Panda homogeneous object, which is Panda series, which we have placed in parking lot in the previous videos. Now, in case we are creating a tuple, in case you have any missing value in Python, a missing value is represented by none. So we can create a tuple with multiple elements inside it. Some are numbers, some are string. And in case you have a missing value, we represent it with none. So in the output, you get the value as none. So none means a missing value. A missing value does not have any attribute. You cannot say a missing value is character or numeric or string. It is simply a missing value. Now let's say that we create a list, which we have already covered in the previous video. In this particular program, we have created two objects. One is tuple1, another one is list1. So they are tuple and list respectively. In case we want to view how many objects are there in our Python environment, which we have created till now. So you can run dir function. Dir function would give you the list of current objects. It would give you the list of the objects which are active in Python. So if I write dir function, I get the output as, so there are some system defined variables as well when you run dir. But if you scroll to the bottom, you will find list1 and tuple1. These are the objects that we have created. Let's try to understand how do we delete certain objects. Let's say that we create an object x with the value 4 and y with the value 10. Let's understand how do we delete certain objects. Now we will run this command, and here what we have done is we have printed the value of x and y, which would show us 4 and 10 respectively in the output. You can see 4 and 10 are shown as an output. Now here del is a command to delete the object. In case you want to delete one object or more than one object, write del syntax. So in case you want to delete just one object, write just the one object in the brackets. In case you want to delete multiple objects, write multiple objects one after another separated by comma. Here we have deleted the object x and y, and we are trying to print x and y to confirm that are these objects actually deleted. We get a name error whenever you are trying to call an object which does not exist. You would get a name error. You get the name error for the object x. You do not get the name error for the object y. Ideally, you should get the name error for the object y as well. But what happens in Python is, in case your program has aborted at a program stage, which is in the beginning, it will not proceed any of the program codes subsequent to getting the error. So you got the error at the stage of x itself. So that's the reason why it is not showing you the error for print y. But if we go ahead and separately write print y and run it, it would give us a name error for the y variable as well.